Hey there, my name is Brian Gray, and I am going to walk you through a bunch of the different tools that you can use to grow your business online. And all of these are different tools that I either use with my clients right now, I have used in the past for projects or clients, or I use for myself. Not every single tool is going to match every single business, so don't think that just because there's all these tools that you have to go out and buy all of them. Just look at what you need for your business and then decide which of these tools would suit your needs best. So I'm going to divide each of these into different categories. First I'll start off with social media tools, and then I'll go through website and sales funnel tools, and then data tracking and analysis, and then automation tools, then paid ad tools, graphic design and video tools, and then some other useful tools that don't really fit into any of those different categories. And of course there are other tools out there that you can use, but these are the ones that I have tried and like the best. I have tried a lot of other ones other than the ones that you're going to see in this presentation, but these are the ones that I actually use or have used in the past and like. So part one, social media tools. The first one we're going to come to is ShortStack. And ShortStack is a program that lets you create different apps, and it can either be an app page on Facebook, or it can be just a individual app that you put on your own website, or it can even give you a link so they'll host it for you. You can see just by these different templates that they've got what kind of things that you can easily do with it. So you can do giveaways, thank you with a giveaway, landing page, photo contest, vote to enter giveaway, story contest, contact us, trivia quiz, pick your prize, coupons, Instagram photo upload contest, personality quiz contest. I'm sure you see these all the time. People kind of like those. A lot of these are very good for collecting leads, getting attention, creating brand awareness, and creating interaction with your followers and getting new followers, rewarding your current followers. So you can see they got a lot of different ones here. I'm not going to describe what each of them are because you can go ahead and go to shortstack.com and check it out. Next one is Thunderpenny. And Thunderpenny is another one for creating apps on Facebook. And you can either go to thunderpenny.com, or you can come to their Facebook page, and there's an easier way to do it. Thunderpenny also has a bunch of free ones. Just go to facebook.com, static HTML Thunderpenny, and then I just clicked on Use App. It's on their Facebook page. Then you click on Add Static HTML App to a page. You click your page. So let's say I was going to add this to UNDP. Now I'm not going to add something to UNDP's page or World Vision's page. Let's go with that one because I'm not doing much on that page at the moment, so I can always go back and delete this. And now you see here you have the edit tab option. It's going to show up as a tab on that page. And I just click on edit tab, and they also, if you go to change app, here's the free ones. So we have a static HTML, YouTube form, location, HTTPS website, and then if the paid ones are your website, a drag and drop creator, sweepstakes, contact form, coupon. So just to give you an example, if I do the YouTube one, then I just input my video link in there, and then I have my call to action or whatever I want there. And then you can see it'll be a tab on your page that has the YouTube video and your text call to action. You can add links and stuff inside as well. So that is Thunderpenny. The next one is XSplit Broadcaster. This is one that I like a lot. This is a free one. You can, if you do video games as well and want to stream video games, I have the video game one. But what this does is this one allows you to stream to Facebook and YouTube and a whole lot of other sites for absolutely free. Now if you want to stream to multiple places at the same time, you have to upgrade, but for me it was worth it, so I bought the lifetime version of XSplit Broadcaster. So now I can stream to Facebook and YouTube and Daily Motion and Facebook groups and different Facebook pages all at the same time. Now the more places that you stream to, the more powerful of a computer you have to have. I do have a very powerful computer. Also the faster internet you have to have. So if you're going to be trying to stream games to a bunch of different places, that's not really going to work. But if you're just streaming a slideshow presentation or simple videos, then you can use it to stream to a lot of different places. Also, you can use it to stream pre-recorded videos live to YouTube or Facebook or any of the other places like Twitch. So you can create it, edit it, and then run it live using XSplit Broadcaster. Next we got Agora Pulse, and Agora Pulse is one way to do timeline contest for your social media timeline contest. And a timeline contest is different from the app contest, what I showed you before, because a timeline contest actually goes in the timeline, and an app is an app on the Facebook page that is like its own mini website on the Facebook page. So the ones that Agora Pulse does, these are for free as well, is the photo contest, quiz, and sweepstakes. And they've got the video here walking through how to do it. So if you want to run an easy timeline contest, then you can do that. You don't have to use these to run a timeline contest, but if you want an easy way to manage them, then you can do that. It also will teach you about timeline contest as well if you're not sure about timeline contest. Next one is Promo Republic. A lot of people don't know about Promo Republic, but Promo Republic is a cool tool that it lets you schedule social media posts, and it also lets you create different social media posts. It's got a pretty cool web editor in there that I like. I personally like it better than Canva. It's like an idea of Canva, but it's also a social media calendar, and they create actual different post ideas and the post calendar. So you can see when I log on, right away they have a whole bunch of different post ideas. They'll tell me different things that are coming up, like Black History Month is coming up, and then I can click on recommendations for me, and they'll give me specific post recommendations based on things that I've posted in the past. Articles is just that, like different articles that they think are interesting for me that I might want to share on my page. You have all the different categories here. Calendar is cool as well because you got this upcoming event calendar, and then you can go through each of the days and you can see all the different things that are happening on all the different days, so you can be prepared for that day and for that post. So for example, right now I'm on February 25 to March 3rd, and we got Daniel Craig born 1968, so you can do a post about that. Dressed in Blue Day, World Day of Prayer, Hello March, Rare Disease Day US. They have all the different fun facts and interesting days, so you can create posts, and a lot of times they'll have pre-made ones, and all you got to do is just click on it, click which page you want to post it to. You can edit it to fine-tune it or change the images or colors, or so you can brand it however you want. Like if I want to upload my own images to it, stick my little marketing sensei guy there in it. Makes it pretty easy to do things, and they have all these different backgrounds and objects and text, and yeah, basically it's just an all-in-one social media planner, post creator. You're not going to be able to use this for all clients, but for a bunch of my personal pages that I have that I don't need super professional graphic design, this is one that I like to use. So that is Promo Republic. Next we go to Paper.ly, and Paper.ly I use to get different ideas for content. And how Paper.ly works is you just sign up and then you type in different keywords, and then it will automatically create a newspaper for you based on your keywords, and give you fresh content based on all those keywords, and it will give you as frequently or as often as you want. So I'd say if I want a daily newspaper about drones, then every day it will try to find like the most interesting articles and videos and create a little mini paper for me, and then I can go through and look through the different content that's out there and then see what I want to create my content around based on the things that are trending. So Paperly is good for coming up with content ideas. Chatfuel. Chatfuel is a chatbot creator, and you can use Chatfuel to make a chatbot without knowing anything about how to code, and it's for Facebook, and so you can basically set it up. You just have to watch a bunch of their training videos, but it really doesn't take long to understand how it works, and you can set up your own little chatbots. So it's free for the starting off. You can see here it's free, and then if you want to get different functions and like the pro features, then it's $30 a month, which really isn't bad. So if you want to create chatbots for your Facebook page, then check out Chatfuel. Planable. Planable is a good one if you have clients for digital marketing or Facebook post or Instagram post, because with Planable you can create a calendar and upload your different graphics to the calendar in the same way that it will look on social media, and then your clients can go in and they can see here, this is how it will look. They got the Twitter and Instagram and Facebook, and your clients can comment on it and click on approve it, and then you just click schedule and it's going to schedule it directly to Facebook. So before you add any post, if you need your clients to comment or give feedback or approve it, then you just put everything in Planable. After they approve it, they click on approve. If they want to schedule it, they can, or you can just come in, because it will send you a notification if they approve it. It'll also send you a notification every time they make a comment, and it will send the client a notification anytime you upload a new post to there. So if you have to collaborate on posts before posting to Facebook, this is a very easy way to do it, not just Facebook, but Instagram and Twitter. So Planable is one that I currently use and like it a lot. Social Bee is a bit different from Planable, and it's a bit different from Promo Republic, because it's a content calendar for scheduling content, but it just has CSS feeds instead of the way Promo Republic has. But what I like about this is it has different tools for helping to grow your Instagram and Twitter, and so you can use different keywords to search for different things that people are following or interested in, and then follow them. And it also has a tool that shows you if they don't follow you back, who's not following you back, so you can unfollow those people. So I don't use this one for the social media calendar or the automated posting or anything like that, but I use it for growing Instagram and Twitter accounts. And those are the major ones that I use for social media, and that does not include social media reporting. That's in the reporting section, because just to remind you of what we're going through, first is social media tools, then website and sales funnels, and data tracking and analysis is number 3. And so there's a bunch of software that I use for tracking data in social media, but I'm not covering those in the social media tools. That was more for social media content and growing the pages. Also in the paid ad tools, I'm going to talk more about social media tools as well, but since they're paid ads, they're down there. So moving on to website and sales funnel tools. First one we have is Rebel Website Builder. This site was built using Rebel Website Builder, so you can see you can have video backgrounds, you can have parallax. There is a theme for pretty much every type of business out there. So you can see here it's scrolling through all the different types of themes and all the different niches. Not just themes, but for each theme you have a ton of different page options. You have all sorts of different GIFs that you can easily add to the page. Rebel Website Builder is the tool for people that want to build a website and they don't want to do a lot of work, and they don't want to mess around with WordPress and having to deal with updates or hosting, because with RWB you can host as many websites as you want for either $7 a month or $67 a year. And so even if you want to make 50 websites, it still just remains at $7 a month. So that is an amazing deal that you really can't beat. Next we have ConvertKit. ConvertKit is what I use for email marketing. Now if you use WooCommerce, then I suggest using MailChimp, because at the moment MailChimp has better integration with WooCommerce. But I just spoke with the guys at ConvertKit, and they said that very shortly, within 1 or 2 weeks, they're going to be coming out with much more integration with WooCommerce. So this might be the solution for all your email marketing needs. But it is mostly for people that want to have very good automation in your email marketing funnels, because you can have all sorts of different rules and you can have all sorts of different automation inside your funnels. I've tried a ton of different email marketing companies, including Infusionsoft, GetResponse, Aweber. I've tried a lot of different ones, and ConvertKit is by far my favorite. And yes, I even prefer it over MailChimp. So if you're looking for a very good email marketing software that makes it very easy to create funnels, email marketing funnels with lots of different options for sending people through the flow of emails, check out ConvertKit. Also, they will set up your, if you're going to switch over from another email marketing provider, they will help you in person set up your funnels. So that's very nice of them too. Next is PROSPECTOR Pro. PROSPECTOR Pro is mostly for people that are offering digital marketing services, such as SEO, Facebook marketing, web design. It basically makes it very easy to find leads, and it creates landing pages that are automatically personalized to the person landing on the page. So it's, if you are a agency that does either SEO or social media marketing or web design, then you're going to want to check out PROSPECTOR Pro. You can just come on here and watch the video, and it will explain everything in depth. The next one is Yodel, yodel.io. If you know what Slack is a free program, a free website that allows you to set up different channels for discussing things with your teammates. And Yodel is something that makes it so that you can create a phone line through Yodel, and you can put a call now button on your website, and then all the calls that you make or receive to your website are free through Yodel. So if you have a call now button and you don't want to spend money on a phone for your business, you can use Yodel and all the calls will go through Yodel. It's kind of hard to explain, so if you need a call now button on your website and you don't want to pay a lot of money for having a person manage it and always sitting at the phone, then check out Yodel, because Yodel also has a phone app, so you can link it to your mobile phone and it will call directly to your mobile. And so it's a good way for smaller businesses to be able to capture people's leads, and always take calls and always be available to talk. You can have different business hours as well, so it's not on all the time, or if they call, they get a message and you can record all the messages and everything inside. It's a cool program, so you can check out Yodel if you need something like that. ThriveCart. ThriveCart is if you sell digital products and you're looking for a good shopping cart. Now, if you go to the ThriveCart page, it's going to say that they are coming soon. And I will let you in on a little secret. If you instead of going to ThriveCart, go to getthrivecart.com, and you can come up here and go to Get ThriveCart, and you can get it for the lifetime license. I'm not sure what they're selling it for now. I bought it when they were still in beta, but it's definitely the best shopping cart option that I've ever used for digital products and for services. So it looks like now it's $5.95, so it's still a good deal because it's for life. You get it forever. And then you can also add client licenses for $99 one time for up to 5 clients. So if you're looking for a better alternative to Samcart, because Samcart is pretty expensive. I was using Samcart before, but my bills every month were like over $99 a month. And with ThriveCart, I just paid once, and I've definitely made all my money back on switching over to ThriveCart. I do not regret it. ThriveCart is great. You can also set up an affiliate program using ThriveCart. They've got it so that you can have affiliates sell your products and you can give them links, and ThriveCart is great. Next we have the web text tool. The web text tool is something that I got not long ago, and I like it a lot. And you just put in a URL or you copy and paste text, and it will give you ideas for how to SEO optimize your page. It will also do page tracking for different keywords, so it will show you how you're ranking for different keywords in Google, and it will create alerts, so if you're moving up or down, you'll get notified. It also has a keyword suggestion tool, which is cool, keyword research tool, which is very cool. You can create a free account and check it out, but if you have a blog and want to make sure it's always SEO optimized without using a lot of other things, I like this a lot better than Yoast. Yoast suggestions are very vague, whereas web text tool gives you much better suggestions, plus it also has the tracking for the different keywords. The keyword analysis tool is very cool as well, so you can find the right keywords to target that have more search coming to them but not a lot of competition. So I highly suggest web text tool as well. Next one is easy links. You got to ignore the horrible sales page, as you're going to see in a second. I don't know why they haven't changed this sales page, because they've gotten very horrible feedback about this sales page. But easy links makes it so that you can create tracking links, and you can put your tracking links in a bunch of, like on your blogs or Facebook or any other place, and you'll be able to use a conversion tracking pixel as well and track to see where you're making the most sales from. And you can also add audience pixels to your links, so anyone that clicks on your link is added to your Facebook audience or your Google AdWords audience, so that you can retarget people that just click your links. It means that you don't have to have people go to your website. You can use any link. Like I could use a link from CNN and then post it, and then anyone that clicks on that link will be added to my audience. And also if they go to my website for anything and purchase, I'll be able to track exactly where that purchase came from. So I've been using Easy Links since they first launched. I think it was 2 years ago now, and I'm happy I purchased it. I'm happy I bought it, because it really helps me track where I'm getting most of my profits from, so I can see where I need to scale up. So I use different tracking links for the different places, and then I can see which ones are converting the most. But again, please ignore this horrible sales page, and also just know that once you buy, they're going to have all sorts of different upsells for you. You don't need to purchase the upsells. They're not really necessary for doing the link tracking. And after you sign up, you're going to be put on their mailing list and receive a lot of affiliate offers, because that's how these guys make most of their money. You can see this only a one-time fee, even though it is a cloud software. I mean, normally you'd have to pay every month for the service, like if you have a website hosted somewhere, because it takes money to keep that cloud going. But with these guys, it's a one-time fee, and then they rely on you purchasing their affiliate offers in the future. So if you don't want to receive a bunch of emails with affiliates offers, and you can just unsubscribe after you purchase. And so sorry, Chad, if you're watching this. Chad's the guy that made this. Sorry for ragging on your sales page, and I'm not trying to turn anyone away from that. Next we have Keyword Shitter, and yes, that is the actual name of it, Keyword Shitter. The web text tool that I told you before that had the keyword research tool, that is not free, but if you want a good free option, Keyword Shitter is what you want, because you just type in your keyword, write any negative keywords, and then click on shit keywords, and then it's going to give you a whole ton of different keyword ideas. So that's a good keyword idea generating machine. So So F2F Live is basically, you can broadcast out and you can have a whole bunch of different people join in and watch, but they don't need to opt in through here in order to watch it. They can just watch it if they have the link. But what you can do is you can create the opt-in form and then send them the link in the autoresponder after they sign up. So you can have a webinar and then just send the link in the autoresponder after someone signs up, and then you can hold it here. And this one is absolutely free. It's still in beta, so if you do have any bugs or anything like that, just be aware it's because it's beta, and hopefully everyone that signed up in beta is going to have it for free after they launch for real. But I like this one a lot. The quality so far is good. I haven't had any issues with it, and you can create different channels. So you see I have a social media marketing agency channel and a Facebook marketing channel, and I'm going to be holding different webinars for each of these different channels, and I will still have people opt in order to get the link. I can even charge people if I want by using my Thrive cart. So that's F2F Live. Next is Zoom. Zoom.us. Zoom is another free one where you can host meetings. You can see here for free you can have up to 100 participants. So if you want to have sort of a webinar but you don't have over 100 people signing up, then you can use Zoom, which is cool. I always like free things, and it includes the video conferencing features, web conferencing features, and it's still secure. If you want to pay for the Pro, which is $15 a month, then you get your recording, the cloud recording, and you get things like reporting and admin controls. And still $15 a month is pretty cheap compared to webinar software. And the most expensive is the Enterprise, which is still just $20. So if you're looking for another cheap option for, it says meeting plans, but you can use it as sort of like a webinar thing as well. PopLink. I've used PopLink quite a bit recently, and it's pretty cool. What you do is, I'll just show you it in action. Well, that's not good when their PopLink demo doesn't work. But what it does is you can take any link at all, and you, like, again, I'll use a CNN idea. I can take a CNN link and I can add my own little pop-up to it. So when they go to CNN, they'll see my pop-up on the CNN website, and I can have my call to action show as well. So I'll have to let these guys know that their demo's not working, because it's never good when you're trying to sell something and it doesn't work on your sales page. But here's an example. Like, you can build your little pop-up, and you can have a picture or a video inside of it, and then a call to action button. So it's a nice way to use other people's websites and still have your own offers being shown. Viral Loops. Viral Loops is a way to, it's a software you can use that will create referral program type things. So if you go to a website and they have a referral program on there, Viral Loops is one way that you can do that. And a referral program means, like, if they refer a friend, then either they get a discount coupon code or they get some sort of reward. So you can see here they have milestone referral, e-commerce referral, refer a friend, the leaderboard gateway, and their startup branch. So if you want to set up a referral program easily, Viral Loops is a good way to do it. Next is Call Page. Here's a demo. So they're out of the office. Would you like us to call you back? If they're in the office, then they can just say, we'll call you back in 28 seconds or however long you clarify. The difference between that one, between Call Page and the other one that I had mentioned was Yodel. And Yodel is an actual telephone number that you can use to call for free, and Call Page is just a pop-up that will ask them if you want them to call them back, and then it will send you a notification with their number saying this person would like a call. So you can have a sales rep or customer service or something call them back. Talk.to. Talk.to is a free option, and it allows you to put a chat on your page. And so all you do is you just sign up, it'll give you a snippet of code, and then this is an example of what the chat thing looks like. Let's chat online. You click it, fill out your name and email, and then click start chat. If you're not there, they can leave a message and you'll get the message emailed to your inbox. If you are there, then you can chat with the person directly there on your website, and you can create as many accounts for as many pages as you want using talk.to. It's 100% free. So I use that on a bunch of my websites. And that brings us to the next part, data tracking and analysis. But this video is running a bit long, so I think I'm just going to cover those first two in this video, and in the next video I am going to start back up again with part number 3, data tracking and analysis. And after data tracking and analysis, you can see we still have automation tools, paid ads tools, graphic design and video tools, and other useful tools. So in the next video I will just cover 2, data tracking, analysis, and automation tools, and then in the last video I will cover the last 3. So thanks for checking this video out, and be sure to check out the next video where I cover data tracking, analysis, and automation tools. If you have any questions, be sure to let me know, and I will see you soon.